Hello student, today we will start with social science from the geography textbook for class 8. So we will start with the first chapter. The name of the chapter is resource. What is resource? Anything that has some utility to satisfy our need is known as resource. Water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable and textbook have something in common. They have all been used by you, so they have utility. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. All resources have some value. Okay, remember this. All resources have some value. Here value means what? Some resources have economic value, some do not. For example, metal may have an economic value. A beautiful landscape may not. But both are important and satisfy human need. Some resource can become economically valuable with time. Time and technology are two important factors that can change substance into resource. Both are related to the need of the people. People themselves are the most important resource. It is their ideas, knowledge, invention and discoveries that lead to the creation of more resource. Every discovery or invention leads to many other. The discovery of fire leads to the practice of cooking and other processes, while the invention of wheel ultimately resulted in development of newer model of transport. The technology to create hydroelectricity has turned energy in fast flowing water into an important resource. So resource can be generally classified into three types. Okay? Remember this. Resource are of three types. First is natural resource. Second is human-made resource. Third is human resource. Okay? So now we will discuss about what is natural resource. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resource. I am repeating again, okay? Resources that are drawn from nature, okay? Which are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resource. The air we breathe, the water in our river and lake, the soil, mineral are all natural resources. Many of these resources are free gift of nature and can be used directly. In some cases, tools and technology may be needed to use a natural resource in the best possible way. So again here, natural resource can be broadly categorized into two parts, that is renewable and non-renewable resource. So what is renewable resource? Okay? Renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly. Okay? Some of these are unlimited and are not affected by human activities, such as solar and wind energy. Yet, careless use of certain renewable resources like water, soil and forest can affect their stock. Water seems to be an unlimited renewable resource. But shortage and drying up of natural water source is a major. So, what is non-renewable resource now? We have discussed about renewable resource. So now What is non-renewable resource? Non-renewable resource are those which have a limited stock. Okay? Which have a limited stock. Once the stock are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished, since this period is much more than human lifespan. Such resources are considered non-renewable. For example, coal, petroleum and natural gas are examples of non-renewable resource. Now we will discuss about human-made resource. What is human-made resource? Sometimes natural substance become resource only when their original form has been. Iron ore was not a resource until people learned to extract iron from it. People use resource to make building, bridge, road, machinery and vehicle, which are known as human-made resource. Technology is also a human-made resource. So now we will discuss about the third point, that is human resource. What is human resource? People can take the best use of resource to create more resource when they have the knowledge, skill and the technology to do so. That is why human beings are a special resource. People are human resource. Education help in making people valuable resource. Improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resource is known as human resource development. I hope you all understand. Thank you.